What number did I get? What number did I get? Hertz. 35.5 hertz. I'm going to put that just up just a little bit right there. And we got the wide, nice and wide. Plus. All right, so turn this up until I get distortion. Turn up. Go 2 tracks over. We'll go 10 dB of overlap. This knob is turned all the way up. Gains are set. Cart's rattling a little bit. Have it, Epicenter number 0000. I heard rumors that there's 2 or 3 of these around because it is a prototype, so I'm actually not the only one that has one. That's still a very low number, and it's still an honor to get this model right here. I'm not sure if I should frame this thing or if I should put it somewhere. Might just have to stick it in my home system, or maybe I'll just buy another one and put it in the home system. So I like having that control. Of course, you guys ain't gonna be able to hear what I'm hearing here in person. This thing's hitting hard, it sounds good. It just needs to be in someone's trunk. But right here on the test bench, you can really hear it. And with the gain set right, you know it's extra clean. I want to thank Audio Control for that almost one-of-a-kind unit. I'm gonna keep it forever. Probably will frame it. But we know it works. We know it's good shit because it's Audio Control. But I'm not gonna put serial number 000 in a car. This thing deserves to be in a frame. So let's whip one up real quick. Tap tolls, spending way too much time on this. Alright, we got some matte black here. I threw a little Audio Control logo right there. It's going to be real hard to see, but maybe it'll just give it some definition behind the clear. Or maybe you won't be able to see it at all, but it's there. I'm pre-taping the corners. That way when I laser the holes out, they're gonna already be there. Four perfectly placed dots. I'm just gonna cut the little donut holes out of them. It'll all make sense here in a second.
Which side? This side, huh?
Yeah.
Random dog hairs. Yeah. Now I just gotta go find a place to hang it. I threw that up in there just so anybody that's looking at this will know what it is and what it does. Probably didn't need to be there, but it's just a little touch I wanted to throw on there. That's it, we're done. All right, so as you can see, I don't have very much room left on my walls at all. But I found a nice little spot for this right here. Looks good, perfect little spot. Got the little standoffs. Worked out great. So again, I heard there was maybe 2, 3, or 4 of these 000 out of 5,000 in existence. Some of the guys over at Audio Control and anybody else that got one must be awful special. I don't know, but I love mine, and to be able to get that number is good. So thanks Audio Control, I appreciate it. And she's gonna live a nice, long, happy life up there on the wall right there. And yeah, I'm out. I got other stuff to do, no more arts and crafts.